Alright, ladies and gentlemen, yan, magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about making money, we talk about stock market, we talk about trading, we talk about forex, whatever it is that makes us money. We even talk about NFTs, di ba? So, yeah, welcome po. Generally, we talk about the stock market kasi ito yung pinaka-open sa lahat talaga. So much information is available to the public. So, marami pong Pilipino nagsisimula sa stock market. And we're here to guide them. Usually kasi pagpasok ng isang tao sa stock market, they realize na, uy, hindi pala madali ang stock market. And they tend to make mistakes and, yeah, lose money instead. And then, nawawala ng gana at tumitigil. That's what we're here for. We want to guide you in your stock market journey para hindi kayo matigil and you will know what you should be doing in the market para lumago naman. And so far, sa mga viewers natin, hopefully, karamihan is already doing well in their stock market journey. Diba? So again, welcome to The Daily Grind. Please share this video. Share po ito to your friends, relatives, even to your trading groups if meron kayong mga trading groups dyan kasi maraming newbies dyan. So that they'll know that there's a program that like this that can guide them in their investment journey. Diba? So thank you so much. Don't forget to follow StockSaid. Also, magandang gabi dyan sa mga nanonood sa atin via YouTube through my YouTube channel, Financial Freedom 101. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Alright, update tayo, PSEI. Ayan, I'm hovering over dito right now because congratulations sa mga na bumili kay dito. Those who listen to me na bumili na kay dito, budigahin nyo, dito pa lang noon. Kung pumasok man kayo, then you are already on a very good position, more or less, kung binodekan niya si dito, di ba? Congratulations sa mga may dito. Pero yeah, the story is about, let's talk about PSEI first. PSEI, nag-doji lang naman tayo ngayon. It ended up with red. Per 0.02, napakalit lang, 1.62 pesos lang po ang binaba ng overall na market. So, pero, net foreign buying po tayo, 190 million. It's not that much, but at the very least, okay pa rin si market, di ba? Still on an uptrend. We're expecting pullbacks naman kasi after strong climbs, di ba? And then, ayan na, nasisimula yung pullback. Globe, another massive day for Globe. The volume is not as strong as yesterday, pero growth is 13%. 2,948 na po ang isang Globe na stock. That's amazing growth for Globe. And I think this boils down to maraming good news di ba? Ang daming mga magagandang balita sa market natin. I mean, not really sa market, but overall, with our COVID-19 fight, vaccination is mas maganda yung reach ng vaccinations. Hindi naman talaga nag-blow out yung Delta variant. That's because marami na nakakalaman ng dapat gawin, etc. Ganito, ganyan, di ba? Filipinos are now wiser, and that's good. Now, if the economy is doing, if the economy outlook is looking good because of maganda na yung takbo natin when it comes to fighting COVID, the companies that are undervalued should go up. Isa sa mga realization ng mga investors when it comes to companies is may mga kumpanya na immune to COVID, to the pandemic. Right? If not, they even strive throughout the pandemic. And one of them isang sector is the Telco. And si Globe, very undervalued after nung drop ng after nung drop ng after nung drop because of the pandemic. And even if through the pandemic, tingnan nyo, annual earnings, negative 16 lang ang binaba niya. Still a negative overall. Pero, man, yung recovery niya for this year, 16%. This is for the second quarter. Not yung first quarter niya is up 11.25%. Those are very good numbers. So, still undervalued for a company that is doing well. This is good, right? Ayan, dito, ayan, kahit na pangit yung earnings, but dito's growth is phenomenal. It just announced na nag-reach na kagad sila ng 2 million na subscribers. In just how many months of operation. That tells you a lot about the potential of Dito's growth. And as a reason why umakyat din, andyan sila Tel kanina, umakyat din. even sila now, Telecom, umakyat din. Nakisabay sila TBGI, etc. But yeah, congratulations po sa mga pumasok sa mga telcos noon. Kay Now, kay Globe, especially kay Globe, sobrang taas na inakyat ni Globe. Congratulations. Kay Tel din, 7.73%, dalawang araw, napakataas ng akyat ni Tel din. So that's good, right? Congratulations po sa mga pumasok kay Tel. Naalala ko, we talked about Tel the past few days. This was the support of Tel. Pasukin nyo on the pullbacks, di ba? So congratulations pa rin. Let's go to the comments really quick. Alright. Close up na tayo. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Ayan. Hindi ko alam bakit walang top fan si Ishi Marimat. Hindi nga lang dapat top fan to eh. Gia, do you know how to put a top fan on Ishi Marimat? Hindi lang dapat Ishi Marimat most punctual na tag ilalagay natin dyan. Diba? Good evening Ishi, kamusta? Alright, Romana Villa, good evening din. G-Boy Tads, good evening. Alright, Girly Geres, good evening Sir Lloyd. Is it time to sell Netflix and PayPal na? Let's check out Netflix. I would say yes. Resistance, and it hit resistance once again. If ever maganda yung pasok nyo, we talked about Netflix support right here. How many days was that ago? I remember na sabi ko sa inyo, this is the support, buy it there. If ever pinasok nyo yan, that's range trade for you guys. Yes! Kasi hindi natin, at this point kasi, if ever maganda yung pasok ninyo talaga, ganda na support grabe naman hindi nyo nakita yung support na yan. Right? Ang problema kasi nito is, at this point, when you're starting to hope na, ay, baka mag-breakout, ganito ganyan, since bullish naman ang etc. ganito ganyan, you're doing the wrong thing. Pinapangunahan yung market. What you want to do really is, the mindset really is, you don't know what will happen. And anything can happen in the market. Anything can happen. What can happen is, maybe mag-breakout, yes, good if you're right. But what if, bumagsak, bumalik sa support, worse, hindi nyo na-respeto yung support o bumagsak palalo, then you just wasted your time and money. Sayang yung position na napasok nyo. Ang ganda ng trade nyo di ba? You sell some right here. Sell at least half of it if you want, and then kahit i-break even yung other half, in the end, you still win, pero ang ganda pa rin ng trade ninyo overall. If hindi nyo, kasi kalahati lang naman nabenta nyo, okay pa rin yung kita, right? If in case it breaks out, then okay din pa rin, kasi pwede pa yan kasi umakyat and you're still in the trade, di ba? So, sell some of it. Take some of your profits. That's the right thing to do. Netflix and then PayPal. Let it load. Medyo mabagal. Si PayPal naman, ang tendency nito is higher low kasing ginagawa ni PayPal. I would say na it's okay not to sell this just yet. I think this will start an uptrend. Napakilit lang ng margin na yan. Okay pa to. I would say okay pa to. Most probably, baka bumalik sa support. Test buy lang naman ginawa nyo dito for sure. So, I think this is gonna go up. This is a higher low right there. Nag-breakout siya. Bumagsak lang ng konti. Magkano ba ang kinita mo dito? Most probably, maliit pa lang naman. Just 4.90. It's not worth it pa rin magbenta. So, hindi pa target profits yan. So, still okay overall. Pwede pa, compared to Netflix na ang taas na inakyat, ito pwede na wag mo na ibenta to, si PayPal. Benedict, may gabi, Sir Idol, may gabi po. Gian, Carlo, Boss Lloyd, TP price nyo po kina AP. Galing Pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is target profits na. That means your trades are doing well. Alright, man, I can't say for now. It's on a good trend right here. Net foreign selling nga lang siya ngayon. About time. Man, I can't really say if maganda target profits to I'm not sure where you entered, right? I did say that si AP, pag nag-breakout to, pasukin nyo. This support right here was also the entry point, yun yung sinabi natin noon. Most probably you're already doing well at this point. Pag may nakita kayong pula, yeah, take profits, man. Congratulations sa trade nyo. Kian, love those trades, man. Galing. Congratulations. More power, Boss Lloyd. You're welcome, man. I mean, thank you, man. Alright, Ediad, good evening Sir Lloyd, magandang gabi. Neri, good evening. Ayan, sa mga pumapasok kay dito, maganda ang gabi ninyo for sure. Yeah, I'm a fan of Dito, right? I'm a believer of Dito, especially if ever matuloy-tuloy yung what do you call this, yung Duterte administration. Yeah, I think Dito is still gonna prosper. Aldous, good day. Alfredo Kiso, magandang gabi. Jepoy Gagarin, good morning Sir Lloyd. Yes, that's true. You help us a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here to guide us in our trading journey. Thanks man. Happy to help man. Right. Good evening Sir Lloyd. Ani po pasilip. Ito si Ani, ang tagal gumalaw no? So si Ani, it's either magbodega kayo dito sa support, or if it breaks out, that's gonna be the reversal for you guys. Antayin nyo na lang po. It's either makapasok kayo sa support, that's gonna be a very good entry, or kung mag-breakout kung ayaw nyo mainip. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan gagalaw yan. Breakout will be very good considering na malapit naman siya sa resistance niya na ngayon. So, that's still okay. Jepoy, Gagarin, good evening. Yeah, good evening man. Malakas maka-networking good morning kay gabi. Alright, Giancarlo more power boss. Thank you so much man. Earl John Madrid Ginto, good evening Sir Lloyd. Registered this morning with Izanagi, waiting na lang for the processing ng account ko. Excited na po. By the way, thank you so much sir. Happy to help man. Congratulations sa Izanagi nyo. Speaking of Izanagi, yan, update tayo sa performance ni Izanagi. Right, Izanagi is now at 152% since the time we opened this specific account. Itong account kasi nito, pinoblic lang namin pero hindi lang namin pinapakita yung equity, magkano laman nito kasi private po yan. But this is a verified account. This is a verified na what do you call this? This is a verified record. Makita nyo po yan, may checkmark po dyan. This is through MyFX book. Right? So pumapasok yan talaga sa account ninyo so that it will display the performance. 152% gains po for what do you call this? For 8 months, right? More than 8 months, running 9 months, 152%. That's a lot. That's very good for something na wala akong ginagawa. Ginawa lang namin dito, we set this account up from the start and then let the bot run its course. Sabi ko nga sa inyo hindi muna namin ito linabas unless na hindi namin verify na maganda ang takbo niya. And when we announced about this bot sa July, around mid of July, right, we told you about this bot. It was already doing well for us, and that's about enough time to really share to you guys, right? Sobrang ganda na kasi ng takbo ng bot nito, and since that point, umabot na siya ng 152. What is Izanagi? Izanagi is a bot. We call it a bot program. It's a program na kung saan linagay na namin yung mga technical analysis namin, linagay na namin yung trading system namin. Saan maka-cut loss, saan matitake profits, etc. Yung technical analysis, ano yung mga signals na hinihintay niya. Then it does the trade on itself 24/5. 24/5 lang kasi ang Forex. And wala na kaming ginagawa. Siya na mag-trade nun. And then we let it run. Wala kaming ginagawa sa account na ito and it is already around 152%. As passive income at this point on for us. Best of all, Izanagi is free. Wala kayong kailangan bayaran sa bot na ito. Maraming nag-invite kayo sa inyo na bot dyan na may bayad. Ito, libre lang. May isang bot natin na may bayad is the Valkyrie. Ito yung performance ni Valkyrie. It did well at first, pero medyo nag-drop. But now on our road to recovery, it's already up 4.54% already after 1 month pa rin. So, 4.54% gain. It's not bad considering na isang buwan pa lang ito and everything is ano tawag nito? Everything is automatic, meaning wala na akong ginagawa dito. Araw-araw ko kayo ina-update dito, di ba? So, good performance din. Ito naman may bayad, right? Si Valkyrie. Love this bot, kahit premium ito, may bayad. It's just around 700 to 800 a month. Pero ang ganda ng takbo rin ng bot na ito, right? So, yan. I've already opened an account also para sa Izanagi. Sinubay ko dito na may $500 inside. Right? It's already up around 750.39. Hindi pa naka-close yung... Not sure if this is updated. Tingnan ko mamaya yung ano ko. Yung Izanagi ko. Ha?
Dili siya live.
Right? So hindi pa siya updated. But yeah, it's already growing. Yung Izanagi na account ko na pinpublic. Kasi dito, gunawan ko ng mga $500 dito, and then on the other one sa Valkyrie, $500 din. Para makita ninyo yung performance, right? If you are interested about the bot trading, if you're interested for passive income, andyan po sa video description yung videos ng Izanagi at Valkyrie, and also the registration is up there, right? Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po tungkol sa DeFi staking ng Binance. Ito po ang nakabasa ko site ng Binance, sir. Does Binance bear the losses if an on-chain contract is attacked during DeFi staking? And ang tanong ko po is, bakit po may attack na nakasulat? Ano po ibig sabihin yan, sir? Yun yung problema kay crypto kasi, right? Ang daming crypto systems ngayon. And iba-iba ang defense system ng mga crypto. Depende po yan sa nagmamanage ng crypto na yan specifically. Overall, right? Pag may nangyari dyan sa crypto na yan, sa mga developers dyan, etc., pag may nangyari dyan, hindi po nila i-bear ang damage. Overall, the risk is nasa investor talaga. So, sad to say, those are the disclaimers, right? So, yeah. That's for Benji Unabia. But yeah, man, that is depende kasi yan sa tingnan nyo yung staking, ano yung mga crypto na involved. I'll definitely read more about it. I'm not open yet into crypto na staking. I have crypto but only sa mga ginagamit kong crypto. I'm into crypto, inipon ko yung iba kasi gagamitin ko rin in the future, right? So, not really focused into crypto right now. Though, may sorpresa ako sa inyo. May tinitingnan akong trading ngayon that's into crypto. It's into bot pa rin, pero crypto naman ang tinitrade niya. I'm still in the process of scheduling with the developer. Tapos bibiglain ko, hihingan ko yung bot niya ng tawag nito backtesting data. Magba-backtest kami. Tingnan ko ang performance ng bot niya nung bumagsak ang crypto. If his bot was doing well. If it's doing well, then that's good, right? So, in the future, testingin ko muna. Once I test it out, start myself, hindi ko kaagad-agad share sa inyo. Maybe around 6 months, I'll test it myself. I will take the risks for you. I'll share it to you guys, right? So, let's move forward. Yan. Congratulations, Earl John, sa Izanagi registration mo. Terence Calzada, thanks for the thumbs up. Ran Tabilas, good day. Soon to open Izanagi for Ran Tabilas. Good job, man. Congratulations. Open yun na. Fernandez Benz, kamusta, Mon? Kamusta, Benz? Good evening, idol, Sir Lloyd. Thanks, man. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Sabi ni Angelo Bongato, what's your take on SMPH and MBT? More power. Sir, let's go technical analysis. SMPH. Looking well kasi to si SMPH. Ang ganda eh. It's an ascending triangle. So if this breaks out, that's your entry point. Antayin nyo mag-breakout yan. Pasukin nyo kaagad. That's a good company right there. Ang ganda ng support dito. But anyways, overall, ascending triangle doesn't get any better than that. Let it break out, then you should be good with this trade. So MBT naman, MBT. Maganda po ba Bing Bon for crypto copy trading? Matt Nunez, I cannot. Hindi ko muna masasabi yan because hindi ko pa nasubukan. But copy trading overall, if ever halos pares naman ng copy trading system ng eToro, it should be good, right? As long as, basta lang tignan nyo sa copy trading is if ever you wanna copy someone, check out the performance. Especially noong nag-drop si crypto from 20,000 down to 3K. Thank you so much for the stars. Noong bumagsak si Bitcoin from 60,000 to 30,000, nag-halving siya. Check out the performance during that time. If ever okay, yung minimal lang yung losses niya, if ever loss man, then that trader's good. Then it should be good for copying. But yeah, I haven't tested the copy trading of Bing Bon just yet, so I can't really comment on that. It will be unfair to comment on it na hindi ko nasusubukan. MBT, same, ascending triangle, man. I think attempted to do a breakout earlier, but let it break out talaga before you wanna get in, right, for MBT. Good find right here, Angelo Bongato. Galing. Plants vs. Undead, PVU, token, idol, crypto. Yes. Ito yung Plants vs. Zombies na NFT di ba? I'm not sure if it released already. Plants vs. Undead. Is it out already? Beta test pa rin. Right, so siguro I'll test this out. Right, I'll test this out. Palaro ko kay Apple kasi mahilig siya sa Plant vs. Zombies. Why not? Right? Since maaga pa. It might be good in the future. Might be bad. Tignan ko ang laro overall. But then again, ang tignan nyo po sa laro talaga is the fundamentals. When it comes to NFT investing, NFT games, look at the fundamentals of the game. Fundamentals meaning, pinaka-important is the longevity of the game. Do you think the game is gonna run in the future? So, titignan nyo dyan yung gameplay system, yung graphics, pay to win ba siya? May advantage ba yung mga mas maraming pera? Pangit yun pag ganon. So, I'll test this out, definitely. Because I'm also a gamer. So, minsan na kayo makahanap ng gaming yung isang passion na financial savvy din. Kasi noon kasi sa generation ko kasi yung mga gamers, ang tingin ng mga tao sa mga addict sa gaming is tawag dyan, ano dyan sa Tagalog? Yung patapon yung buhay. Walang direksyon. Right? So, technically, I'm a living testament na okay lang kahit gamer ang anak nyo. May mararating pa rin yan. Plant vs. Undead, I'm gonna be checking about this one, right? Definitely, I'm gonna be making an episode about this also. Tingnan natin to in the future. Meron na palang beta test. I'll check this out later. Thank you so much for letting me know. Sana may mobile na to. Mas maganda kasi sa mobile ang NFTs kahit saan mo laruin, okay lang. Moving forward, Jessica Nang, sir, do you prefer short-term or long-term trades for crypto and stocks? Sa crypto, there are assets, there are coins na maganda if for long-term. Sila Bitcoin, the large cap ones, right? Short-term trades for short-term trades para sa mga small caps na mga coins, right? Sa stocks din, I prefer, iba kasi ang ganda ng tanong, right? Ang ganda ng tanong ni Jessica Nang. Do you prefer short-term trades or do you prefer long-term trades? Obviously, there are pros and there are cons sa dalawang trading system na yan. Long-term and short-term to mid-term, di ba? Disadvantage kasi ng long-term is mas mabagal yung kitaan, di ba? Pero mas overall, if ever maayos lang ang performance din ng company, etc. Especially in the international market, kung long term nyo yung mga big time, sila Apple, sila Coke, you wouldn't go wrong. And as Microsoft, I've been an investor of Microsoft, even Apple, di ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo yan. MSFT, right? If ever long term ninyo ito, then you have been doing well kahit na may mga times na bumagsak yan. Nung bumagsak, you just bought more. Sila Google, sila Apple, the good companies out there, especially Microsoft, one of my recommended na long term niya talaga. You should be doing well, right? Hindi siya kaanong kalakasan ang akyat kasi look at this right here. Let's say for example, after 2 years, 2021, after 1 year, 1 year lang na growth, January 2021. Right, the growth should be laki pa rin. 43% in just 1 year. Tindi. Hello Microsoft. Grabe. Pero yeah, you should be doing well in your long term. Advantage is much stable yung earnings. It's not really na spike na isang araw 5% ganito ganyan. But there's still earnings in it, right? Compare it to short term to mid term, mas malaki ang kitaan sa short term to mid term, considering if marunong rin kayo, di ba? It all boils down to availability, right? Ganito yan, isa yan sa mga sineseminar ko sa inyo sa webinars ko. Part of the webinar really is about knowing who you are, and part of knowing who you are is the available time that you have. Do you have the time to watch the market? Right? Do you have the time to really watch the market while you trade for short term or while you trade for day trading, di ba? If you have the time, then good, go day trade. Pero meron kasi mga tao na pinipilit nila kasi laki ng kita ng day trading, swing trading. Kahit may trabaho ako, pilitin ko, silip-silip lang ako. If you do that, you're being greedy. Kumikita lang kayo sa trabaho ninyo, gusto nyo pang kumita sa short-term trading, you're being greedy, right? And tendency is, you're gonna lose money if that happens. Right? So it will boil down to your availability. Kung kaya nyo naman, kaya ng oras ninyo, and you really have the heart for it, then why not go for short-term to mid-term short to mid trading, yung mga mabilisan na trades, di ba? If you don't really have the time, it's not an excuse na hindi kayo magta-trade sa stock market. You can still trade like the one that I'm teaching you, position trading, and just wait for stocks to go down because it will go down. If hindi, then wala. If meron, then I'll test it out, and then if it wins, then good. If I need to cut my losses. Ganun lang. Mas hindi stressful yung trading system ko. Though, hindi kasing laki ng kitaan sa short-term to mid-term trading. So it really boils down to your preference, right? It's not really ano yung mas maganda, ano mas maganda na system ng trading, right? Looking at the earnings wise, syempre mas maganda yung short to mid-term trading. But in the end, kaya ba ng oras mo or kaya ba ng katawan mo, di ba? Ping, good morning, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good move po by sell half of my shares po kay dito. Or wait muna until tomorrow. Salamat po. Wait nyo muna until tomorrow. Hindi muna naman sa tomorrow. Tingnan nyo bukas, if ever, malaki na yung kita ninyo and you're all, parang kinakabahan na kayo. Yeah, it's good to sell some of it. Right? If ever may makita kayo ng parang weakness na rally niya bukas, then sell some of your dito. That's a good strategy pa rin. Laki na grabe yung mga chinachat natin ngayon na. Puro taking profits na. That's what I love to hear. Kasi noon, nagsimula ako sa daily grind. Ang dami nagtatanong, Sir Lloyd, pa-help naman kasi naipit ako ganito. Kasi yung mga stocks ko, pulahan, ganito na yung portfolio ko. Right now, we're talking about profit taking. That's huge improvements. Congratulations. Dennis Mundo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Breakout LHC, okay ba mapasukin? Ito yung mga breakout na ayaw ko. Bakit? Tulad nila kanina, nila Converge. Yes, it did break out with volume. Problema ko, ayaw ko mga breakout na all-time highs, right? As much as possible, wait for pullbacks. Wait for pullbacks na lang and bounces since overall bearish pa rin kahit may magandang volume. Alright? Volume kasi yan hindi naman buying talaga yung volume na yan. Hindi yan lahat bumibili. That's a volume of the overall trade. Maraming nagbebentahan, maraming nagbibilihan, right? And that's healthy for the volume. Pero yung RSI, mas weaker na yung buying. That's what this is telling us. So, konti ingat po sa mga ganito. Even yung Converge, CNVRGs, Converge nga pala. Yung congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Converge noon, right? All-time high na naman sa Converge ngayon. But it's a no-buy zone. Kahit pa bullish yan dyan. Mga may trading system. So, wag nyo na pong habulin yan sa taas, okay? Alvin Castillo, thanks, Sir Lloyd. Gained today for my 3 positions. Galing. Congratulations, Alvin. Giancarlo entered breakout price around 23.5 to 24 pesos sa AP boss. Gisunod na ako. Payo ni mo with konting knowledge sa TA. Ayun, road to TP na. Tingnan nga natin magkano na to. Intriga tuloy ako. 23.5 on the breakout. 23.5. There we go. 23.80 is our resistance. Boom, 11%. Alright, 12%. Galing. Congratulations, man. Galing. Tahan PJ, good evening, boss. Patanaw ko sa CDC. Mark, let's check it out. CDC, right? Daan tayo sa YouTube mamaya sa mga nanonood natin sa YouTube. I'm gonna be dropping by YouTube. So, antay lang muna if ever hindi ko gaano nasasagot yung mga comments ninyo. Kasi I'm focused more on Facebook kasi. Then again, dadaanan natin yan for sure. Yan, CDC, massive support right here. Divergence is there. So, this support is holding on. You can trade the support, enter the support, or kung mag-breakout man, that's gonna be your entry. Mas maganda if ever gusto nyo, wag mainip kasi natutulog yan. Let it break out before you wanna get in or for CDC. If ever hindi nyo naman mababantayan, kung mag-breakout yan, baka lumipad din kaagad, hindi na kayo makapasok. Pasukin nyo na ngayon. Just cut loss lang below that support. As for CDC, let's go to Mark. Alright, so anong water? Sa Mark Ventures, pababa, pataas, at paikot-ikot pa. Alright, support is already here for Mark Ventures. Going red right now, aggressively speaking. Buy on the support pag nag-green ito bukas for Mark. Good find. able to read your name. Plant versus Undead Idol Crypto. Ayan, labasan na natin to. Tahan-tahan. Pila minimum investment amount kay Izanagi, boss? May minimum ba sa Izanagi? Yeah. $500.
Ang micro 5.
Yeah, $500 po. So, okay lang hindi micro, di ba?
Dapat
Dapat micro
micro.
for 500.
Okay.
$500 po. Right, $500 around 25K, right? 25K. But it's for free, right? So, yung 500K nyo, diretso na lang sa account niyo sa XM. May process naman dyan sa registration, right? Joshua Paredes, Sir Lloyd, maying gabi pa-check sa Green and GT Cup. Let's check out Greenergy. Buy na to sa Green noon pa sa atin, ah. Bastahin nga natin. Greenergy, there it is. There's a trend line right here. So, just ride this trend line. Pag nag-green to, that's also a buy for me, man. Okay pa rin ang overall trend ni Green. Right, that's still a buy pag nag-green si Greenergy. GT Cup. GT Cup. Right, let's let it load. Uhu! Galing. Alright. Talked about GT Cup. Sabi kasi pag nag-green to, pwede nyo na i-buy. Especially pag mag-breakout sa MA20. And lumipad nga kanina. Nahuli nyo ba on the breakout, on the green sa start ni GT Cup na araw? Taas na spike eh. But yeah, overall, okay pa to. Mas maganda if pull back. If ever. Mas maganda talaga ang pullback and bounce sa entry ninyo. Hopefully nakuha nyo kanina sa breakout niya. If ever hindi pa, pullback and bounce. Baka lumipad niya. $250. $250 pala for Izanagi. So if ever you have $250, pwede na kayo magsimula sa Izanagi. Just add it confirmed sa admins natin. Allen Gallardo, sir. How po yung Izanagi and Valkyrie? Alright, medyo mahaba siya i-explain eh. But technically, it's just bot na isaset lang natin sa simula. Yung pinakatrabaho niyo is simula lang. Right? We'll help you set it up at start. And then, siya na po ang mag-trade para sa inyo. Right? And then you can take profits whenever you want to. You can always stop anytime. Andyan po sa video description. Just click on the video description. Meron po diyang video about Valkyrie so that you'll understand more about Valkyrie. I strongly recommend you watch the video first. And then may video rin po about Izanagi. Kasama mo namin dyan sila Z-Freaks. Right? And then, andyan din po yung registration form. Instructions are there on the registration form. Okay. Dennis Mundo, Sir Lloyd, magkano needed open Izanagi? I can cover that already. Sir, saang support maganda antayin? Si Ada, Sol, Avax, Coti, and Luna. Right, si Ada. Cardano. Saang support ba magandang hulihin? I would say, ang problema ko kina Ada, Cardano is kind of bearish yung signals na. Tingnan ko nga muna sa BTC USD ha. Kasi nahuli natin ang mga to because of Bitcoin eh. I've been telling you about Bitcoin. Huliin nyo si Bitcoin sa baba. Ganito ganyan. Si Bitcoin nagbe-break na ng MA20. So that's what I'm talking about when we see bearish signals. So nakakatakot na sa Bitcoin. I will not recommend catching cryptos right now. Right? Kahit na nag-pullback yan. I'm not recommending na i-catch nyo ang crypto ngayon. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Antayin nyo lang yung major pullbacks, especially sa ano. I can't recommend getting in them right now. Kahit na mag-pullback yan, it's already too late at this point. If you know about Elliott waves, etc., wala pong forever ang uptrend. The trend right now of Bitcoin is much healthier. Hindi na siya hype na akyat tulad itong hype na ito. Right? Mas healthy yung akyat niya ngayon. Sumusunod na sa Elliott waves, hindi na gaanong kalakasan, and then it should settle down, and then we'll start from that point kung meron na naman tayong dips. Right? So I can't recommend crypto right now. Okay? So that goes to all the crypto kasi sumusunod lang naman kay Bitcoin yun eh. Hindi naman all, karamihan. Right? That's for Aldous, Artsy Gams, good morning Sir Lloyd from Cagayan de Oro. Aldous, man, we've already triggered crypto right here, sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo sa Bitcoin sa 30,000 or kung mag-breakout sa 30,000, 40,000, pasukin nyo. Diba? Ngayon, huwag nyo nang habulin sa taas. Huwag na kayo maiinggit sa taas. Right? Good morning, Sir Lloyd from CDO. Artsy Gams, good morning sa inyo. Artsy Gams, please EPS USDT. Sir Lloyd, thanks. Another crypto, let's check it out. Ayan. So at least ito, may volume, may momentum. Pero man, tignan nyo yung volatility. Grabe na ang volatility. Nakakatakot na itong volatility na ito at this point in time. Signals are not clear, man. If ever you want to trade this one, at the very least, nag-breakout ito, you can use this as your support. Grabe yung pullback, grabe ang bounce. That's the volatility of crypto talaga. Nag-breakout naman siya with volume. So, use breakout strategy for this one. Benji Unabia, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po, ayun, nasagot na natin about staking. Joshua Paredes, Sir Lloyd, maging gabi, ipacheck lang po si Green and GT Cap. Salamat. Let's check it out. Si GT Cap na daanan na natin. Dito muna tayo sa YouTube, may nanonood sa atin. And then also, has questions. Asian Knights, go globe, but how high can it go? Actually, hindi natin alam. All you can do really is react to the market. If ever the market is starting to go red, then sell your position. Right? Huwag kayong umasa na aakit ba't aakit pa yan. That's the wrong kind of trading. What you should be doing is reactive trading. If the market does this, then this is what you should do. If the market does this is what you should do. Dapat ganun ang ginagawa natin. Huwag natin pangunahan ng market. Ryan T, Now and TBGI. Sir, si Now, tingnan nga natin kasi isa sa Now sa mga umakyat din kanina. So, looking well si Now. Pullback rin kaagad. There's a resistance for Now right here. So, let it break out na lang muna before you wanna get in kay Now. Same with TBGI. Ganun yung information TBGI. Resistance is right here for TBGI. There's volume in it. So, most probably this is gonna be breaking out. So, let it break out na lang muna before you wanna get in TBGI. GT Cap also. Another question for GT Cap. Sige, review natin si GT Cap. Sir Lloyd, Lode, and CPG. Thanks, right. Ulitin natin si GT Cap. Pullback and bounce for GT Cap. Lode, this is from Ian Cesar Villaruel. LODE. Alright, so it's Lode ha. Doing well. Ganda na support dito. Those were our entry points dapat for Lode. Resistance is right here. Mukhang magbe-breakout. Let it break out before you wanna get in Lode. CPG. Ito, naalala ko itong mga stocks na ito. Right. CPG, breakout. That's a buy right there with volume. CPG is a buy. Good job. Good find right here by Ian Cesar. Alright, let's go back to Facebook. CLI, one of my favorite stocks. Right. CLI, kamusta natin? Isa sa mga highest earners today. 5.77%. Did break out. That's a buy, my friend, for Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. Magkano ang kailangan ng funds? Umpisa Izanagi, we answered that already. GFC po from Rhea Narciso. Let's check out GFC. GFC, pull back. Alright, so nagpo-pull back na si GFC. That's good. The next bounce of GFC should be your entry point for you. Para kay Jollibee. Fruit and CPG. Fruit. Alright, frutas. Josh Mantes. Hi, sir. I love this question. Josh Mantes, any advice, insights regarding Dito's future in stock market? Let's say in 5 years. The reason why I risked in Dito is because of its current circumstance, and I think it has a good it will have a good future, right? Pero when I say it will have a good future, because mamaya na lang, I am speculating, right? Meaning speculating tayo, ng hula tayo, and I don't really like that. It's just that nagustuhan ko because of the circumstance of Dito. The circumstance kasi ang competition is Globe and Smart. People are mad at Globe and Smart really because of the poor performance. So Dito has timing ni Dito is really spot on, perfect. And because of that, it grew. Hindi pa nga siya hindi pa nga sila nakapag-open sa buong bansa. It already has 2 million subscribers. And with its performance right now, may nakita ba kayong pangit na review sa performance ni Dito? Wala. Sobrang ganda. So far, so good. Dito is leaving a very good first impression So I think it will do good in the next coming years, right? Also, a circumstance of it is that dito, I will say will be successful. As sinabi ko dito kayo noon is, I think dito will have a good start in the country because it's backed up by the government, right? So permits, ang bilis, etc. Kasi pag dinelay yung permits nila, papagalitan ng President Duterte, ganito ganyan. So backup wise, it's good. Maybe in 5 years, ito naman, pag natuloy yung Duterte administration, I guess dito will still continue its rapid growth. Funds wise, China is backing it up. So sa pera lang, it has the money to really operate well. And nakita nyo naman ngayon, grabe infrastructure development ni dito. Experience wise, sabihin nyo, si dito wala namang experience yan, ganito ganyan. Again, yung nagbaback up niyan sa China is Chinatel, one of the best telcos in the world, right? So I would say because of those parameters, because of those circumstances, kaya nila magbigay ng mura na service. I would say they'll do good, right? They will do good. Hindi pa natin talaga alam kasi wala pa yung fiber nila, which is gonna be very exciting to know. Yet kasi dito nag-apply ako ng Globe for my line dito sa bahay namin. Walang box na available. Ang may box na available si dito. Wala pa nga sila sa mas mayroon pang box si dito na available si dito sa for fiber dito sa amin sa bahay namin. We live in the city, diba? So it's gonna be very exciting. It will boost dito kung mag-expand pa yan sila with the services. Inuna kasi nila ngayon is yung mobile phone. So I think it will have a very good it will have a very good future. Dito sa amin, pahirapan magkuha ng fiber. And if dito will play that, get in and provide the scarcity, then it will boom. But those are speculative, right? So yeah, I think it will do good. That's the reason why I risked some of my funds kay dito. Right? Fruit CPG, GFC, Frutas, boom, breakout, galing. I've been teaching you about my technical analysis. One of my major technical analysis really is the RSI divergence. Pababa yung presyo pero RSI is looking up. Those are buy signals and look at that. It is doing well. Right? Especially for position trading. I'm a position trader. Ganda. So if pinasok nito si Frutas on the support right here, I believe I did say na okay na to because of this technical analysis if nakita lang natin to. Then you would have been doing well already. Mas maganda ngayon, if ever you want to enter Frutas now, pull back and bounce for Frutas. Pull back and bounce is your entry point. That's for Frutas. CPG, we covered CPG already. Good evening, sir. Ano yung triggering factor ng Telco biglang taas? Actually, ang pinakamagandang triggering factor sa Telco is the earnings this year plus the fact talaga na our lives are improving, of the fighting for COVID-19 is improving, but the threat kasi of COVID is still there, pero telcos are thriving. That means na ang lakas na sector na ito. So investors just went in to businesses na talagang hindi gaano affected with COVID, and those are the telcos, right? So yeah, M-Wide. Right, M-Wide, let's check out M-Wide. Ito si M-Wide, tagal ko na sinabi sa inyo na bilhin to. Congratulations sa mga bumili at gumalaw na naman si M-Wide. Nag-breakout pa nga. That's a buy still for me overall. Ascending triangle already for M-Wide. That's a buy, my friends. Sir DGLY, pa-check naman po. Let's check it out. This is from Mar Oli. Lerios, very well said and encouraging statement about Dito's future. Salamat. Actually, tell you guys, ang dami kong basher kay Dito noon. Hyper daw kay Dito, ganito ganyan. Tapos umabot ng benta si Dito. Everyone was silenced. But yeah, yun yung speculation ka lang talaga kay Dito. I think it will have a good, bright future, especially if magtuloy-tuloy yung Duterte administration, which I think will. I would say yes. It will have a good future still. But we're already earning in it, right? Kind of it's kind of late to speculate for Dito already. I've been shouting out Dito nung nagpiso siya. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, Dennis Roy got it for 6 pesos. Makukuha nyo ng piso. Sobrang bargain na yan. And with the future of Dito, I think it's gonna do well. From piso nga, umakyat pa ngayon to 20. So, that was an amazing run. But right now, kind of too late to speculate. So right now, tinitignan ko na talaga yung technical analysis ni Dito. Right? Emily, thank you so much for the stars once again. DGLY, ito si DGLY. Engulfing pattern. Starting to create a support, man. I think this is gonna go sideways. Pag na-break na itong downtrend line na ito, that's where you start looking for positions for DGLY. Matt Nunez, maganda po ang Bingbon. Nabasa na natin to. Charlotte Inardo, Chart Fernandez, PME. Right. Dito kayo nag-PM man, ha? Emily, nagbenta ako kay dito, sir. Binili ko kay Asen. Alright, that's a good strategy still. Alright, very good job. Galing. 100 stars. Thank you so much, Emily. Aking tulong na yan. Pangkape na yan di ba? With the coffee signal right there. Joshua Paredes, sir. Lloyd, maayong gabi. Pa-check po si Green at GT Cap. We covered that already. Emily, parang pariwara, sir. Good evening, right from Cagayan de Oro. Chard Fernandez, thank you for the stars once again. Daryl Salas Buday, hi Lloyd, good evening. Your insights on NBIX, please. This is from Daryl. Let's check out NBIX. We're just gonna be looking at the technical analysis. I don't really know these companies personally, so I'll leave that to you guys. Yung fundamentals, we'll do the technical analysis. On an uptrend. Alright, galing. Trend lines right here, right now. Follow this trend line. Saan nyo pasukin? Dyan po. Right, for NBIX. Christian Meneses, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Paano ka mag-set ng TP pag currently nalipad yung stock ng crypto? Hawak mo. Thanks po. Right, what I usually do is, ganito ha. Let's say for example, BTC, USD. If crypto ang hawak nyo. Actually, isa yan sa mga lessons. Ito yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. If you wanna support me, there's a way to support me na mutual. Right? I have this webinar. It is paid, mga paid yung webinars ko noon. Hindi naman kamahalan. Meron ako recording dyan, I put my heart, time, and effort for that webinar. Lahat po ng alam ko, linagay ko sa webinar na yon. So hopefully, kung gusto nyo yon, I will recommend you get that webinar para makuha nyo talaga yung strategy ko. Go to patreon.com/elbazar, yung nasa pinakababa sa baba ng chat natin. Alright, may process dyan on how you can get the webinar recording. It will be very beneficial for you guys. But yeah, I'll still teach you this. Ang problema kasi dito, it's bits and pieces lang matutunan nyo. Right? If there's a way to support me you're also helping yourself. Check out patreon.com. So ganito po ang ginagawa ko. Bitcoin, for example, eto, nagrarally si Bitcoin ng ganito, tas pumula ng ganyan. So for example, ganyan. Ang ganda ng rally, right? But right now, we are not really seeing weakness for Bitcoin at this point. And then biglang may magganito. Right? So that's a sell signal right there. What I usually do is I sell in tranches. Pwede ko na itong ibenta, right? Ibebenta ko na ito dito. And what I usually do is yung pera ko na nakuha ko dyan, I'll buy it here. So this is the pullback, this is the bounce usually sa MA20, pero in this case, kung i-Fibonacci niyo ito, alam niyo saan to pupulutin, right? Tignan natin ang Fibonacci nito. Fibonacci. Ayan. 0.382. Perfect bounce right there for this kind of massive trend. Saktong-sakto yung bounce niya, I will buy the money I get from there at that point on. Okay? Now, when I do that, this will now become my support, and then wait for another weakness right there and sell again. Right? More about selling tranches. I think sa webinar na yan about yung webinar na makikita nyo from patreon.com/elbazar. mga 15 minutes yung lesson natin about taking profits also. Kasi may strategy in how you buy in tranches. There's also strategy in selling, right? So please do check it out, right? So patreon.com/elbazar. Right, DGLY, we checked that already. JagX and Jumia. Let's check out JagX and Jumia. JagX, time check, it's 8:53. Bilis ng oras Alright, so it's still loading somehow. But dito at 7, sold it for CLI po from Xerxes. Congratulations pa rin. Buti po gumalaw si CLI po today agad. Alright, okay naman po yung long-term CLI. Plan ko mag long-term Yeah, ang ganda ng company na CLI ngayon. Earnings-wise, ang mga projects dito sa Cebu, CLI is one of the top developers right now. So yeah, CLI has a very bright future. So, okay, long-term naman si CLI. I've been recommending CLI doon pa sa baba. Right, so right now, doing well. Alright, the downtrend line is still right here. Hindi pa niyan breakout. So, baka mag-breakout. That's your entry point for JagX. For Jaguar, let's go to the other request. Jumia yun, di ba? Jumia. Alright, Jumia. Hindi ko alam anong code ni Jumia. So, ha? Tingnan nga natin, lalabas ba si Jumia dyan? JMIA. Yan. Thanks, Jaya. Jujaya. Right, so, yeah, broke its trend line. Downtrend line. That's a buy right there. Good find. Right, I would say that's a buy, man. Good find. I agree, sir. TP na ako today sa tres kay ETH position. Sa tatlong Ethereum positions ko, nag-breakdown na sa MA20 kasi ang showing bearish RSI niya. It's been how many days, di ba? Nasabi ko sa inyo na bearish na sila Ethereum, sila crypto. And then yun nga, nag-break na MA20. Good job on selling. Good sell right there, man. Right, so, galing. Congratulations, Jepoy Gagarin. Right, J. Lerios, very well said. Encouraging statement na dito's future, sir. Salamat. You're welcome. But again, please, nanghuhula lang tayo, right? Those are my biases because of my bias. I'm just sharing it to you. I'm not hyping you guys. Dagdag niyo lang po sa mga sa decision making niyo, right? In the end, it all boils down to you. But so far, that was my argument before kay Dito, and so far it rewarded me a lot. So yeah, Maroli, sir, SJM please, SJM. Last 5 lang po. It's already 8:55. Yun lang ang oras na kaya ko for today. I have daddy mode muna ako. Nakita nyo yung nagkokomelo na nga sa likod. After this one, support. It's right there. Confirm the support still. SJM. Challenging, man. Hirap sabihin, man, ha? Pero ang ganda na support dito, Kaso nga lang, overall, yeah, I think it's good. Pero, yeah, I can't say, man. Mali. Kung ito-trade mo man ito, we can always respect the support. Pero kung ito-trade mo man ito, since medyo risky yung position niya, maliit lang ang trade mo dyan, ha? So, pwede mo subukan yung support. Vicente De Rojas, sir, pang long ba si Dito? Salamat. Actually, naka-long term ako kay Dito. But it all depends to you guys, right? Sir, PNB og EW pod. Salamat. This is from PJ Tahan. Alright. The good ones. EW. East-West. Alright. East-West supports right here. That's a perfect entry point. May resistance kay East-West. Nagpumupula pa naman si East-West ngayon. So, tignan natin if ever bumalik sa support at mag-bounce. PNB though, this is a different case. This is a very good asset right here. I've been seeing bullish runs for PNB. Actually, nasa support tayo ngayon kay PNB. Go nyo na, bilhin nyo na to si PNB. Right? I will say PNB is still a buy right here sa support na yan. Okay? Pwede nyo pa rin bilhin yan si PNB. Sebastian Arcega, good evening sir. Pa-check si XRP. Ano, okay po ba long term? XRP, right now is the wrong time to get in for long term. Antayin nyo muna, mag-dip na lang muna ang mga crypto before you want to go positions for long term. Right? Wag muna ngayon na nasa taas ng crypto. Steve Navarro, DNL, LHC. Right, bilisan natin. I think these are the last comments na rin lang man kasi. So, tapusin lang natin to. DNL, resistance right here. Baka mag-breakout. Breakout. That will be a 52-week high breakout. So, breakout na lang for DNL. Ascending triangle. Ang ganda ng triangle ni DNL. LHC. Naalala nyo pa si DNL? Dito ko pa sinasabi sa inyo na bilhin yan sa DNL sa mga supports na ito. Right? Taas na din DNL ngayon. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay DNL noon. Those are one of the stocks that I love talaga. Since nasa baba for a good company. LHC breakout. Mas maganda if pullback and bounce lang po muna for LHC since all-time highs yung mga levels niya. I don't like those kinds of trades kasi. MRC po. Thank you. Alright, MRC. Let it break out. Or kung bumalik man sa support, pasukin niyo po dito. Right? Sa YouTube, I think we've answered everything. Yeah. Alright. So, we're able to answer everything right now. Ang biraga sila dito. Mag-goodbye ta nila. Right. So, reminder sa Friday is an episode that you don't want to miss. Kasama natin si Kapayamang Arnel and we're gonna be talking about the fundamentals of the upcoming IPOs. And here's Leoric saying, mag-goodbye yan sa inyo. Izanagi and Valkyrie, test it out. Right? Kung gusto niyo po ng libre na testing si Izanagi po, andyan po sa video description yung videos about it and registration. Please check it out. Sayang naman po. Right? That's it for us this evening. We'll see you again tomorrow. And again, Friday, huwag niyo kakalimutan ha. Kasama natin si Kapayamang Arnel for the IPOs. If you want to know more about, in-depth about the coming IPOs o kung maganda ba mag-invest doon, then definitely check out our Friday episode. That's it for us this evening. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Say bye-bye. Ang kulit. Bye everyone.